Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making steak. I hope you guys ready. I hope you guys want to see this recipe because it's about to go down. It's absolutely flavorful, incredibly tender, and it's so good. If you want to see it, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, to begin, we're going to start by using this nice size steak. It is about 1.5 pounds. This is a sirloin steak. We're going to pat it dry with a napkin. Then we're going to drizzle some olive oil on there and use the back of a spoon to spread the oil out. Now we're going to add our salt and pepper, and no, we're not stopping here. We're going to add some more seasoning to this steak. We don't do salt and pepper here only. Okay, so make sure you add some freshly cracked pepper for more flavor. I love using freshly cracked pepper. It's just peppery and fresh, you know. Now, for more flavor, we're going to use this Tony Sachet steak marinade. Okay, it is so good. You can only use this by itself. Trust me, it's so good. It's so good. I will leave a link down below if y'all want to purchase this on Amazon. We'll leave it down below for y'all. It's so good. I recommend it. I use it all the time on my steak. Okay, now we're going to spread it out just like that, and of course we're going to flip the steak over and season the other side just like that. And I'm asking you, if you're new here, please I'm asking you, I'm begging you, hit the subscribe button because I do upload delicious recipe here that you don't want to miss because honey, they're delicious. Okay, you cannot miss them. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know you new in the comment section. Now we're going to repeat the same step. Like I said, we're going to add the oil. Next, we're going to add our Himalayan salt and pepper. And of course, we're going to drizzle that steak seasoning right on there. So good. You can't make steak without fresh herbs, all right? So we're throwing in some rosemary, thyme, sage, all right, all type of fresh herbs. And of course, I'm using some dry ones too because I didn't have all fresh herbs. Now we're going to chop them up just like that. And also I'm adding in 1 garlic clove because that's the only one I had. If you have more garlic, you can go ahead and add more garlic. I didn't have any, so we're using only 1. And of course, I'm using some garlic powder as well. So I have some melted butter here. This is about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to add our herbs right on there, just like that. Give that a mix. Come on, give it a mix. And right now, if you're watching, you haven't commented anything about this video, I'm asking you nicely, can you leave a comment down below for me? Just let me know you're watching. Here I'm adding in some dry oregano, and of course I added my garlic, and I'm going to add some basil. You can add fresh herbs, like I said. Because I didn't have any fresh herbs, I'm using those dry herbs. All right, give that a mix, set it aside. Moving on my cast iron here, I am going to use some butter to butter it up so my steak doesn't stick. Duh. Once you're done, it's nice and hot on medium high heat. Nice and hot. We're going to place our steak on there. Now, when it comes to steak, you can cook it how you like to eat your steak. Medium well, well done, however, medium rare, however you like it. This is the way I like it. This is the way I cook it. I think this is medium well. All right, so I'm flipping it over. Once one side is nice and cooked to my liking, flip it over. Then we're going to add our butter. All right, this butter has so much flavor in there, you cannot miss that butter. And of course, I'm adding some guess what, I found some garlic, so we're going to add that garlic in there as well. Make sure to mash them down so you can bring out the flavor more. And of course, I'm adding more thyme and rosemary. Yes, I love the flavor of rosemary on steak. It's just so good. It just brings more flavor. Okay, now we're going to add the butter, and of course, guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to baste that steak, honey. Here we go. We're going to baste it just like that with that nice infused herb butter right on top of the steak. Okay, just like that. Now I am going to place the steak in the oven for about 10 minutes. That depends on how you like your steak now. Okay? Keep that in mind. Once it is nice and cooked and done, honey, this is the steak. It looks so good and so buttery. I added the rest of the butter right on top of there. When I'm eating it, I can just so good. I hope you guys try this recipe out. Of course, like I said, you can cook it well done, medium well, however you like it. Let me know, will you try this recipe out? And also, if you're new here, subscribe, like the video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.